children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 65 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और जो टॉपिक है वो है preposition from adverbs. यहाँ दिया है distinguish the preposition from adverbs in the following sentence. Come down. Down क्या हुआ? Adverb. We sailed down the river. Down यहाँ पर हुआ preposition. The man walked round the house. Round preposition. He sat on a stool. On preposition. The carriage moved on. On adverb. The soldiers passed by. By adverb. The man turned around. Round adverb. We all went in. In adverb. He is in the room. In preposition. He hid behind the door. Behind preposition. I left him behind. Behind adverb. He sat by the cottage door. By preposition. The path leads through the wood. Through preposition. I have read the book through. Through adverb. The storm is raging throughout. Throughout adverb. We cannot live without water. Without preposition. ये एक छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज थी, आपको समझ में आई? सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। देखते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।